Hey everybody, I'm Dr. Ceora over at the Bartlett location, Olympia Chiropractic and Physical Therapy. I'm here with one of my patients, Lainey. She's coming in and getting adjusted as well as physical therapy, working on some neck, mid-back pain. So we're going to get her adjusted on the ProAdjuster today. All right, you can go ahead and come on in. All right, so what this ProAdjuster is, it's a computerized adjusting tool that tells us where we need to adjust. So we start with the scan down the spine to tell us the areas that are restricted based on the green bars. So we do that all the way down. All right, so with the ProAdjuster, this is going to deliver the adjustment using a vibrational force to restore motion and function to the joint.